and red 8. Rolling out with the red, white and blue smoke, they switch to white smoke and get ready to fly the Revolution. Reaching a height of around 6,500 feet, they put on their red smoke as they get ready to draw a fabulous heart here in the sky. Keep your eyes to the top right of the heart. Here comes red 9 to add a final touch as he draws a spear through this heart. Cameras ready. Is red 4, is Marathon and Light 9 or Jippo with their smoke on. Red 6 and 7 now rolling upside down. Reds 8 and 9 with no trickery are going to match them directly underneath. This is Mirror.